This is how you're going to earn 200 USD with Hostinger referral program. So Hostinger's referral program lets you earn money by sharing your referral link. When someone signs up using your link and keeps their hosting active for at least 45 days, you earn around balance minimum of $30, and then PayPal for a minimum of $50, or a wire transfer for a minimum of $200. So to start, you're going to log into your Hostinger account, and then from there you're going to the referral and earn or affiliate section to join the program, which you can usually find at the top right of your screen. So you can see it right here like a banner. Now from here, you're going to apply. So you can see this: invite friends and earn up to $450. You're just going to copy this link actually, and then you're going to send it to any of your friends, any of your family, and then you're gonna have to wait for your rewards. Now once approved, you will get your personal referral link, which is you can find right here, and then access to the dashboard where you can track your earnings. Before promoting, you're going to set your preferred payout method based on how quickly you want to withdraw. To reach $200, you will need about $1,000 in total referred purchases. For example, 10 people buying $100 plans, or just a few choosing higher tier VPS or long-term plans. You're gonna have to share this link once again smartly by helping others who need web hosting. For small business owners, freelancers, or bloggers, you're going to post it on social media as well, YouTube, or tutorial articles, and explain why you recommend Hostinger, which is could be about great speed, affordability, or free domain, etc. And then you can offer real help by guiding them through setup, as people are more likely to buy through you when you add value. You can monitor all pending and approved referrals in your dashboard, and then follow up politely to ensure they have completed their purchase and didn't refund. Now once your referrals are approved after 45 days, your earnings will move to your payout balance when you can reach the minimum threshold. So you can find that actually from here, from the My Earnings tab. So you will see all of your earnings right here. So you can see here your referrals, commission payout, how many you have earned through all of them, and you have here a total of $50. Now you can add a payout method right here, which could be PayPal, wire transfer, or Hostinger balance, and can see here the total payout, or how much you have already paid out, and then the total of referrals that you currently have. And then again, you can just copy your link right here. So if you're for your first client now, and you will earn a 20% committed, and then they will also get a 20% discount. And that's it. That is how you can earn 200 USD with Hostinger referral program. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.